In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in and out of the timeline view in Asana. Hi everyone! If you've ever wished you could see your project schedule in closer detail or pull back for a wider overview, this quick walkthrough is for you. We'll keep it simple, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to control the timeline scale so your tasks and dates are always clear. Start by opening your project in Asana. Choose the project you want to review, the one where you need to scan deadlines or check how work overlaps. With the project open, switch to the timeline view from the top menu. Asana offers different ways to look at your work, and Timeline lays tasks out on a horizontal calendar, making it easy to spot dependencies, gaps, and bottlenecks at a glance. Once you're in Timeline, look to the top right corner of the view for the zoom controls. You'll see a plus button to zoom in and a minus button to zoom out. Click plus to move toward a finer time scale, think weeks or days, so you can zero in on exact start and due dates. Click minus to step back to broader scales, like months or quarters, so you can understand overall sequencing and capacity across a longer period. Each click adjusts the time units on the header, letting you fine-tune the level of detail without changing any of your task data. If you're on a desktop and prefer using the keyboard and mouse, there's an alternative. Hold the Control key on Windows or the Command key on a Mac, and scroll your mouse wheel up to zoom in or down to zoom out. Make sure your cursor is hovering over the timeline area as you scroll, not over the sidebar or a panel, so the zoom applies where you expect it to. Adjust the zoom until your tasks and dates are easy to read. Good rule of thumb is to find the scale where labels aren't crowded, milestones are visible, and the order of work makes immediate sense. If bars look too small to interpret, zoom in a notch. If you're losing the big picture, zoom out until the sequence of phases becomes obvious. Remember, you're not altering the schedule, just the way you're viewing it. So feel free to experiment until it feels right. These controls are especially helpful during planning meetings or status reviews, when you need to move fluidly between milestones and the overall roadmap. And that's how you zoom in and out of timeline view in Asana for better project visualization.